What is going on, everybody? It is me, Jamocha from Sounds Nerdy here at CES, right in front of the Hisense booth, and I am going to check out one of the most exciting TVs at the show this year from Hisense. We're talking about the 110UX. Yeah, so let's dive into all the details about the TV right now. First off and foremost, they are boasting about their 40,000 local dimming zones. Local dimming zones, 40,000 of them. So you're going to be able to achieve unparalleled dimming of individual LEDs with the mini LEDs in this TV, allowing for an infinite amount of colors and blacks. This is going to be a spectacular viewing pleasure for you. Not only that is a world's first, but we're talking about an achievable 10,000 nits of brightness for this TV. Again, another first in this industry. But what we're seeing here at the show is not running at 10,000 nits for obvious reasons, but rest assured, by the time you get it at home, you're going to probably be going north of 10,000 units, as Hisense has been known for under-promising and over-delivering. So expect a brightness that will blow you away. New inside the TV is the HiView Engine X chip. Now, within this chip, we're talking about the neural processing that will allow your viewing based on your habits, will increase the picture quality over time, will increase the quality, the color, the depths, based on your viewing habits. So for everybody who's viewing this TV, everyone's going to have a different viewing experience. It is based on the content that you're watching and how you like to watch TV. So those neural processing will adapt to your viewing habits over time and give you the best quality available for your television set. Obviously, the chip also will do a lot of processing through AI right on the chip. Included with it is 4.2.2 surround sound. There are speakers all around the back of the TV to give you that not only virtual but true surround sound. It's not from a surround sound bar, it is from speakers actually embedded on the back of the TV, as you can see right here. While we don't know anything about the release date or pricing yet, but we're hoping that the TV will be released in 2024. And what you see here at the stand that this TV is sitting on, it is an optional stand and subwoofer built in that you can purchase separately for the TV. Now, this TV that we're looking at here is one of the best TVs at the show so far this year. It's gotten a lot of awards already. The brightness, the local dimming zones. Hisense has really stepped up this game over the last few years with the UX model. So really looking forward to this TV when it comes out to the market. Once again, thank you for taking time out to watch this video. If you enjoy this type of content, do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like and share this out with everybody. And for even more CES content, make sure you click on one of these two videos right here. And until next video, guys, stay nerdy.